Let me ask you this. Hold on. Good point. You want a down payment. Now listen, you're a human. This is going to tie everything together. You are an investor. You're about to be a private money lender yourself, because you bought the properties. You used your money to buy those properties. You just graduated yourself all the way to the top of the ladder. When you own or finance that, you are a private money lender. Something that probably 1% of all investors ever even make it to in their entire career, and they start from day one wanting to do that. You're already there. In lieu of a down payment, would you accept a new roof? Now, if I'm a contractor and I got lawn care or I got whatever the case may be, or maybe even a roof, it doesn't matter. I've got labor. So what I can do is I can come in, I can go buy the materials myself, I can pay my own labor people, and all I've got in it is their labor and the materials. I don't have to go to a roofing contractor and pay the roofing contractor his overhead, his insurance, his vehicles, maintenance, insurance. Is that a win-win? Because if he defaults, what do you get?
The house back
with a roof.